In this video, I'm going to show you how to invite team members to Clickup. The first thing you want to do is you want to go to the top left and select over here to your workspace icon. It will then bring you a menu that looks like this, and all you want to do is you want to press on Manage Users. You will then be brought to a page that looks like this. From here, you want to go to this right text box over here and enter in the email address of the user you are trying to add to your workspace. So for this video, I'm just going to be adding an email really quickly. So there you go. There's an email right over here, and then right next to that, you want to go ahead and select on their permission. So we can go ahead and make them a member, which will give them access to all public items in your workspace. We can also add them as a limited member, which can only access items shared with them. We can also add them as a guest, which they can't use all features or be added to spaces. They can only access items shared with them. And we also do have admins, which can manage spaces, people, billing, and other workspace settings. So once you went ahead and selected on the permission, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on invite. It will then appear over here that the invitation is actually pending. And I'm going to show you how it looks like on the other side of the person that is trying to receive this invite. And basically all they need to do is they need to go ahead and press on accept invite. If they do not see this email, make sure that the email address is actually inputted correctly, or make sure that they do check their spam folder. But anyways, all they would need to do is they need to press on accept invite, just like so. And if they don't have a ClickUp account, then they will need to go ahead and create one, or they could also sign in via Google. But after they're done with that, they should be able to go ahead and get access to your workspace. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.